Good afternoon, friends and distinguished guests. I'm Professor Mark Power, the Vice-Chancellor and Chief Executive here at Liverpool John Moores University. And I have to say this is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to the John Lennon Art and Design Building and officially launch this very special exhibition. Julian Midgley, Bicentenary Sketchbook, a window on LJMU's 200th anniversary year.
I've never heard of any other university that's appointed an artist to record a really big anniversary before. And it says a lot for this university. It's always been interested and supported drawing. The Vice-Chancellor said he trained as an artist, so did his wife. And in the art school, they've always promoted drawing for all those years through abstraction and things like that. So Liverpool's in general as a city, is a very cultured art city. So it's no surprise in a way that the university's done it, but it's very, very bold of them to have done it.